Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of home decor, focusing specifically on a trendy and functional piece, the wooden wall clock. These beautiful timepieces have become must-have items for homeowners and decorators alike, combining practicality with stunning design. From minimalist styles to intricate carvings, wooden wall clocks can enhance any room's aesthetic, whether it's a cozy living room, a modern kitchen, or a serene bedroom. Their versatility makes them suitable for various decor themes, appealing to a broad audience. In this video, we'll explore what makes wooden wall clocks best-selling items in the home decor market. We'll delve into their unique features, such as craftsmanship and materials, and discuss the growing consumer preference for sustainable and natural products. Additionally, we'll uncover how these clocks can provide high profit margins for sellers, making them not just a decorative choice, but also a profitable business opportunity. Join us as we reveal the trends, strategies, and insights that transform these timepieces into statement pieces in any home. Before we dive deeper into the world of wooden wall clocks, we want to remind you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos about home decor trends, DIY projects, and tips for creating beautiful living spaces. If you enjoy what you see, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family who love interior design. And don't forget to stick around until the end of the video. We have some exciting insights and special offers that you won't want to miss. Your engagement helps us create more content tailored to your interests, so thank you for being part of our community. In the world of home decor, wall clocks have transcended their functional role to become essential decorative items. Among these, wooden wall clocks have gained immense popularity due to their aesthetic appeal and natural warmth. This video will explore why wooden wall clocks are bestsellers and how they can yield high profit margins for sellers. The significance of wall clocks. Wall clocks are more than just timekeepers. They are statement pieces that can transform the look of a room. They serve as focal points in living spaces, combining functionality with art. A well-designed clock can enhance the overall decor, reflecting the homeowner's style and personality. The allure of wood. Wooden decor items have a timeless charm that appeals to many consumers. The natural textures and grains of wood create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Unlike cold, industrial materials, wood adds a touch of nature indoors, making it a preferred choice for many home decorators. Current market trends. The market for home decor is shifting towards sustainable and eco-friendly products. Consumers are increasingly favoring items made from natural materials like wood, which aligns with their desire for sustainability. This trend presents a lucrative opportunity for wooden wall clock sellers. Characteristics of best-selling wooden wall clocks. Best-selling wooden wall clocks often share key features: unique designs, high-quality craftsmanship, and functional elements like quiet mechanisms and easy readability. Designs range from minimalist to elaborate, catering to diverse consumer tastes. The right combination of these features can make a clock a bestseller. Understanding the target audience. Identifying the target audience is crucial for marketing wooden wall clocks effectively. The primary audience includes homeowners, interior designers, and gift shoppers. By understanding their preferences, sellers can tailor their products and marketing strategies to meet specific needs. Effective marketing strategies. Successful marketing strategies for wooden wall clocks involve a mix of online and offline approaches. Social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are ideal for showcasing beautiful images of clocks in styled settings. Collaborating with influencers in the home decor niche can also enhance visibility and credibility. Cost analysis and profit margins. Understanding the cost of production is essential for maintaining healthy profit margins. Key costs include materials, labor, and overhead. By streamlining production processes and sourcing quality materials at reasonable prices, sellers can maximize their profits while offering competitive prices. Diverse selling platforms. Wooden wall clocks can be sold through various platforms, including e-commerce websites, local craft fairs, and home decor retailers. Each platform has its unique advantages and challenges. For example, e-commerce offers a broader reach, while local markets provide personal interaction with customers. The power of customer reviews. Customer reviews significantly influence purchasing decisions. Positive testimonials can build trust and encourage potential buyers to choose a particular brand. Encouraging satisfied customers to leave reviews and showcasing these on product pages can greatly enhance credibility. Seasonal sales opportunities. Seasonal trends can create unique sales opportunities for wooden wall clocks. Holidays like Christmas, Mother's Day, and home improvement seasons see increased demand for decorative items. Sellers can capitalize on these times by offering promotions or themed designs that resonate with consumers. Crafting unique selling propositions (USPs). To stand out in a competitive market, sellers must develop unique selling propositions. This could include customizable options, eco-friendly sourcing, or exclusive designs. Highlighting these USPs in marketing materials can attract consumers looking for something special. Learning from successful brands. Studying successful brands in the wooden wall clock market can provide valuable insights. Analyzing their business models, marketing strategies, and customer engagement techniques can help new sellers identify effective approaches. Case studies can inspire innovative ideas and strategies. Practical tips for entrepreneurs. For aspiring entrepreneurs, entering the wooden wall clock market can be rewarding. Key tips include conducting thorough market research, focusing on high-quality materials, and establishing a strong brand identity. Building a loyal customer base through excellent service and communication is also vital. In conclusion, wooden wall clocks represent a profitable niche in the home decor market. With their aesthetic appeal and functional benefits, they attract a wide audience. Whether you're a consumer or an entrepreneur, the potential of this market is worth exploring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Eco-friendly practices. Explore eco-friendly practices in sourcing materials and production. Discuss the benefits of using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced timber, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers. In conclusion, wooden wall clocks represent a profitable niche in the home decor market. With their aesthetic appeal and functional benefits, they attract a wide audience. Whether you're a consumer or an entrepreneur, the potential of this market is worth exploring. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found valuable insights into the world of wooden wall clocks and their potential in home decor. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more tips and trends in interior design. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with anyone who might be interested in enhancing their living spaces. Your support helps us create more engaging content, and we appreciate you being part of our community.